Good morning, this is Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today we are making a blueberry keto muffin recipe. And if you've seen our boys versus girls brownie challenge, the link is right here below. We went a little overboard and cheated the entire weekend, so hence the blueberry keto muffins for this morning. Minimal ingredients, bakes only 15 minutes, and we are using our Omnia oven, of course. The full recipe will be in the description below. Please do us a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, click that thumbs up button. It's the best way to make our Little House of Beans channel grow. Please comment below with any suggestions on the recipe, whether I can add or additional ingredients to make it even more delicious. Thank you, and let's get cooking. One cup of almond flour, 1 or 2 tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 tablespoon baking powder, a dash of cinnamon, and as you noticed, I pre-prepared all the ingredients in little Ziplocs, 1/4 cup of milk or heavy cream, and 1 egg. Let's mix.